Hey guys, Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery, author of Diamonds in the Sky. I wanted to bring you a message today about something that is very difficult to teach, but it's incredibly important. And it's the factor, the X factor that makes you rise above just like somebody that people like customers that like you, clients that like you, stuff like that. Personalities that people like, okay, accounts that people like, into rising into the level of like raving fans. So there's a difference between like people who are followers, they like you, and people who are like absolutely in love with who you are. They've never even met you, right? But the content that you put out there, the message you put out there is so captivating and mesmerizing to them that they are diehard raving fans, okay? They feel like they know you, they like love you. That's when you get messages where people are like, I just feel like I know you, I feel like we're friends already. You've changed my life, you know, like I can't stop listening to your stuff. I can listen to it for hours. And that factor is genuine authenticity. When you bring your truly authentic, raw, vulnerable self, no holds barred, to your interactions, to the content that you provide, you deliver a message from the heart every single time. You deliver your truth every single time. That's the thing that deeply connects with people. It's the glue that sticks people to you. And so many people cannot figure out how to bring their authentic self, because a lot of people don't know what their authentic self really is. They give a watered down version or a censored version, or they're afraid to be vulnerable. They're afraid to tell their deepest truth. They're afraid to be judged. They want to try to please everybody. You have to throw all of that in the trash. That all has to go away. And when you bring your most authentic, genuine self to every interaction that you do, and it's an interaction when you put out a video onto the internet and people get to watch it. When you do that, there's just something that happens where people feel deeply connected to you. Like it's a raw connection. They feel like they know you. They love you. They see your heart. They see you, who you are as a person. They feel like you're their friend. And that is the type of connection that you have to make through the content that you put out there with your customers, fans, clients, followers, friends, family, everything. That's the kind of thing that you have to bring forward if you want to create not just people who like you, but people who would do anything for you, who love you and are raving fans. To create a cult-like following, you have to be completely authentically yourself. So I hope that nugget helps you guys. You have permission, to bring that energy to the table. People want it, they crave it, they need it, and that's the X factor that's going to get you to that next level. So hope you guys love the message here today. I hope that it gives you some excitement to bring your authentic self forward. And as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one. I love you. Bye.